Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a delicious pan-seared salmon in a coconut lime sauce. To get started, here I have 5 salmon fillets that I went ahead and washed really well and seasoned. I'll show you guys how I did this in just a few seconds. Here I have some coconut milk, but I want to explain something to you guys real quick. Now for this recipe, to get the best results, you'll need a very thick and creamy coconut milk. I find that when I use like the Goya or the Grace brand, it's kind of on the more organic side, so it's thinner in texture and you don't get the best results with that. Like certain coconut milk is good for some dishes, but not for all. And for this recipe, I find the Thai coconut milk works best. So I will be using some grated ginger. I'll be using some minced garlic, some fresh parsley. I have lime juice, some fish sauce. I have lime zest. I'll be using some chili paste, some brown sugar. I have chicken bouillon, black pepper, and complete seasoning. Let's get started. So here's how I seasoned my salmon. First, I washed really well in some lemon juice, and the seasonings that I use are fish seasoning, some lemon pepper seasoning, and some Old Bay seasoning. Very, very simple. First, we'll combine all the seasonings, mix well, then we'll generously coat the salmon with the seasonings on both sides. Once you're done, you'll let them sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. Here in my cast iron skillet, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And now I will go in with the salmon. I'll sear them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We don't want to cook them all the way through because we will be finishing them off in the sauce. After about 2 minutes, we'll go in and flip them and allow them to cook evenly for another 2 minutes on the other side. Next, we'll go in with our garlic and ginger and we'll allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Now we'll add our chili paste and the brown sugar. Mix well and we let this go for about a minute. So at this point, we will now go in with our coconut milk. We will add our lime juice, our fish sauce, our seasonings, and lime zest. We'll mix really well and we'll let them all come up to a slight simmer. Once the sauce comes up to a nice simmer, that means all the flavors are infused, and now it's time for us to add our salmon in here. We'll add the salmon and we'll let it go for about 5 minutes on low heat. We don't want to overcook the salmon, so we'll put the heat on low and let it simmer in here for about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, we'll add our fresh parsley, and that's it, guys. That's how easy and simple it is to make this dish. And it's absolutely amazing. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try. Now I plate this up and I'll be back with the finished product. So today I'll be enjoying my salmon with some sauteed asparagus and some mashed potatoes. Very simple, but you can also have this with rice or pasta, whatever you like, guys. It is absolutely versatile and it can go with anything. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.